realities of playing the violin. Sometimes you might not even need a shoulder pad. So it depends on your body type, no? So shoulder pad is an accessory that not everyone is supposed to be using, no? It will depend on how broad your shoulders are, how long your neck is, no? Those types of things. So I don't want to say it's a type of training wheels, because it's not. It's really there to help alleviate problems or tension that you might be doing because hindi tama yung position. So a shoulder pad is an accessory that not everyone should be using, no? Yung iba kasi pinipilit, no? I have experience na yung mga students ko, meron silang shoulder pad pinagamit sa kanila ng previous teacher nila, pero kita mo na paghawak na yung violin niya, nakatingala na siya. So you have to understand kung ano yung pangangailangan ng mga student nyo din, no? So it really depends, no? I have colleagues who are also big, who have short necks, but still use shoulder pads pag hindi nila ginagamit, na may sumasakit sa kanila. So if you need it, use it. If not, don't try to force it, because sometimes it might cause more harm than good. Baka magkaroon ng problem sa neck, magkaroon ng problem sa back, magkaroon ng problem sa shoulders. So it's really just an accessory, no? Don't treat it as such na, oh, pag may shoulder pad, dahil bumili ka ng violin kasama yung shoulder pad, gagamitin mo, tapos hirap na hirap ka na tumugtog, no? Like for example, ako, I haven't been using a shoulder pad since I was like in high school. So ever since, hindi na ako gumagamit. And every time I try to use one, nakatugtog ako, pero I don't feel comfortable. I feel like I'm drowning kasi nakaganyan talaga. Hindi talaga for my body type. And maybe for your body type too, diba? And it's not just limited to having short necks, no? Some people, even with long necks, who have broad shoulders or whatever, don't use one, because again, it doesn't really help out. So as long as your body is maintaining a neutral position, well, without these things happening when you're playing, no, tumataas yung shoulders mo, bumababa yung neck, you're maintaining a straight posture, then you are good. Hindi mo naman kailangan na yun. Now, if the shoulder pad is making your head tilt, or pag wala, bumababa, maybe you need one. So it's really a case-to-case basis, and it's not that if you have one, use it. Kung hindi talaga para sa'yo, hindi talaga para sa'yo. So follow for more, and see you on the next one.